Grabe laki ng package ni ASUS ROG 8 Pro. And kita natin, it's really big, no? Para sa kanyang special edition. Sabi nga na dito, for those who dare, and this is the ROG 8 Pro na combo edition. And this is the most premium variant na meron ni ROG 8 Pro. And we'll be unboxing this. And papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng performance dito sa phone na ito, be it sa gaming, sa camera, and other things that you need to know about this phone. Tara, simulan natin. So guys, itong in-unbox natin ng ASUS ROG 8 Pro with a 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage is priced at 76,000 pesos, and it comes together with a free aero cooler from ASUS. But if you want a lower variant, 16512, it comes at a price point of 61,000 pesos without a free aero cooler. But pwede mo naman i-substitute with a good phone cooler like this one from Cooler Master, which is the Cryo phone cooler, which papakita ko sa inyo ang kanyang performance a little bit later. Napag-usapan na natin kanyang design. So, medyo na-nerf ang kanyang design. Normally, ang ASUS ROG na phone looks very game-centric. Mukha talaga siyang pang-gamer, and this time around, medyo ni-nerf nila. Ginawa niya medyo mas minimalistic and para pang everyday usage. Kita natin ang kanyang camera bump is a little bit thick, but medyo mas toned down ang kanyang design. And I like the way yung kanyang display panel dito. Pinapakita niya yung ROG logo, yung time, and yung remaining battery mo dito sa phone na ito. One thing that I like dito is kanyang matte finish, so definitely it's good. And another thing na magugusto mo dito sa kanya is meron pa siyang audio jack dito, equipped. Now, the form factor is okay. Okay naman siya pang hawak for everyday usage. It's a little bit thick, well, just like any ROG phone. And what I like dito sa kanya is maganda ang grip niya dito sa likod. That I'll be honest. Now, itong phone na ito comes together with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the most powerful na meron ni Qualcomm right now. And mataas ang score na nakuha na dito, 2.09 million points, which is as expected. And ito ang breakdown score na makikita mo dapat. 5,200 ang kanyang loop score dito sa Wildlife Extreme, and it has a 74% na stability. Ito naman nakuha ko sa benchmarking dito sa Geekbench, and ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Now, the phone ito comes together with a 5,500 mAh of battery, which can support up to 65 watts na fast charging, which I think is not that fast. For a gaming phone like this, could have been 90 or 120, but medyo hindi nag-all out si ASUS dito sa kanyang charging capability. Itong phone na ito is a little bit power hungry. It could last you the whole day if you're using it normally. Pero kung nag-gaming ka, expect it to drain a little bit faster. Now, if you're a power hungry guy, you can always drop down and turn on the X menu dito, which gives you extra boost and extra power when you need it. Ito makita mo dapat dito, you can play between X mode, dynamic, or ultra durable. Dito sa loob ng X mode, nakatago din lahat ng games mo. Pwede ka dito pumili. Now, ang kanyang display panel is a Samsung na flexible AMOLED, 6.78-inch with 165Hz of screen refresh rate, and this one is being protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Now, I would say magandang kanyang display if you're the type of person na mahilig sa social media, swiping across sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and sa TikTok, okay siya. Ang bilis, and actually, hindi mo mafe-feel yung 165Hz of screen refresh rate dito. Personally, I could hardly tell between 120, 144, and 165, but I can easily tell between 60 and 90. That's for sure. Now, one bad news for you is that ito phone na ito only has a level 3 na wideband security level. For a phone this expensive, having a L3, it's a little bit injustice dito sa ROG 8 Pro. Hope na makorek nila sa future updates, but as of now, it's still level 3. So makita rin natin dito sa Netflix, sa kanyang digital rights management, it's only level 3. Too bad. So sad. Pero kung manood ka naman ng videos dito sa YouTube, expect it. Okay naman siya. I used 2K display dito, and it was able to give me some really nice videos dito, whether I'm watching animes or mga Korean novela or some movies dito. Expect a very immersive experience. Now, itong gaming phone na ito has stereo speaker. Isa nandito sa kanyang earpiece and the other one is dito sa ilalim. So gusto lang natin mag-quick sound test, isasagad natin, pakinggan na natin to. Well, malakas naman siya pero hindi lang yung sobrang lakas na I'm expecting from this phone. There are other flagship phones from other brands which has a louder na loudspeaker compared to the ROG 8 Pro. Now, quickly, pag-usapan muna natin ang camera ng phone na ito. This one has a 50MP na main camera sensor, which is a Sony IMX890, and it has OIS, by the way, 32MP na telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 13MP na ultra-wide lens. Pwede siya mag-shoot up to 8K and 24fps. Ang kanyang front-facing shooter is a 32MP, which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. So, pag-usapan na natin ang camera performance ni ROG 8 Pro. So, of course, starting off with a outdoor shot. So, probably one of my benchmarking na shot dito is itong mga bato na to. So if you zoom it in, makita mo may details siya, no? Pero pag zoom in mo, mapapansin mo it's a little bit soft yung mga details na dito sa photo na ito. If you look at this one, it looks okay, no? Pag hindi mo siya zoom. And pag zoom mo naman siya, well, there's still details naman dito and quite sharp pa rin naman ang mga bulaklak na ito. And one thing that I like naman dito sa kanyang color science is okay naman ang pagka-purple dito and pagka-pink nitong bulaklak na ito. Though hindi ganun katingkad yung actual look. But in-enhance konti ng AI ng camera to make it a little bit more Instagrammable. And the greens dito is definitely a little bit saturated compared to the actual subject. Now, it may seem like okay itong shot na ito. But if you zoom it in, makita mo soft yung mga details dito sa mga dahon na ito. Now, if you take a look naman dito sa photo na ito, while running at around mga 20k PH, medyo hirap siya, no? It wasn't able to capture a sharp shot. So, blurred ang mga capture mo dito sa ROG 8 Pro pag your subject is moving. Now, play with the ultra-wide lens. This is how it looks like. Ito naman ang kanyang normal shot. 2x and 3x zoom. So, 3x zoom, okay pa rin naman siya. Kita mo, the words are still sharp. Let's try it again. This is a normal shot, a 2x zoom shot, and a 3x zoom shot. So, makita natin the word dito, MDC, is still clear. Pero mapapansin mo, the color difference between the 3x and 2x zoom is a little bit different. Ang kanang clouds, ito medyo mas a little bit gloomier than this one. Pag nasa skyway ka naman, you're taking some shot, you'll see some decent naman na photo from this point of view. Now, if you're taking the camera indoor, there are times na okay naman mga shot niya na pag low light, like this one. Pag kumuha ka naman ng bin shot dito, if you zoom it in, makita mo okay naman siya, but it's a little bit grainy. So some shots like this, makita mo maganda naman ang kanyang focus sa subject and blurring it all the way to the background. Maganda naman siya. Now, taking some food photography, I'd say okay naman siya. And further taking some other food shot like this, okay naman siya. Maganda naman kanyang pagka-focus sa mga subject, to be honest with you. Here's another food shot na mukhang okay. Pag zoom in mo, kita mo naman and preserve mga details na dito. So we also did try to play with the ultra-wide lens dito sa indoors. And this is how it looks like. This is a ultra-wide, normal shot, 2x and 3x zoom. So makita mo na ipag-chismisan si ate. Now, ang kanyang front-facing camera, the performance is not really that good. Kasi masasabi ko, yung subject, like, well, me, is a bit soft. Yung mukha ko once na zoom in mo. And this photo is also soft as well. Now, I cannot get any decent shot using the front-facing camera. Honestly, medyo soft talaga mga subject na nakukuha nitong camera na ito. Even on indoor, low light, ganito din ang makikita mo dito sa camera niya. So, more photos from the indoor, talagang soft ang kanyang subject. If you use the front-facing camera, I would say na medyo soft nga talaga siya sa subject, though it's a bit stable. Okay naman ang kanyang stabilization. And using the rear camera, I would say maganda naman kanyang pagka-focus sa video and quite stable din siya just using my bare hand. Even if you walk around, okay din ang stabilization ng camera ni ROG 8 Pro. Now, it's time to talk about the gaming performance dito sa phone na ito. This one is equipped with shoulder triggers and it also comes together with a aero cooler with if you're buying the combo package. There's additional 2 more buttons dito sa likod, by the way. And what I like naman sa mga phones ni ROG is very ergonomic siya when it comes to gaming. Magandang grip, expect it really a good experience dito sa phone na ito while gaming. And so I did play 5 games dito sa phone na ito. Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, Mobile Legends, Genshin Impact, and PUBG. Now, starting off with Call of Duty Mobile, expect itong game na ito is definitely smooth. Wala akong masabi dito sa game na ito dahil it was able to give me a really good experience dito, and together with the shoulder trigger, setting my left triggers as the reload and the right trigger as the shoot, okay na okay. Sobrang smooth ang experience. Wala akong na-feel na frame drops, no nothing. And playing for 30 minutes of VR matches, expect mo talaga mag-i-enjoy ka ng husto dito sa game na ito. Now, while playing Mobile Legends, you can set it to ultra and definitely mag-i-enjoy ka dito sa game na ito dahil sobrang smooth ang experience dito. I played for roughly mga 30 minutes and all the way, smooth naman ang experience ko dito. I have yet to feel a frame drop dito sa game na ito, but of course, expect mo wala because it's a 8th Gen 3 by the way. Probably for me, this is one of the best experience ko sa ML dito sa ROG 8 Pro. Now, pagdating naman sa Genshin Impact, this is where things get fun. Expect mo talaga magandang gameplay dito sa phone na ito. And nilaro ko siya on 2 different occasions. Isang may aero cooler and isang walang aero cooler. So, both experience was good. Medyo mas mainit lang talaga pag walang aero cooler kang ilalagay dito sa ROG 8 Pro kasi talagang mainit ang Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And to give you a weather report, if you're asking me, it's roughly 28 degrees Celsius on outside, and I'm just using a electric fan dito while I'm playing. Now, ma-expect mo dito sa Genshin Impact while on the battlefield, mafe-feel mo talaga the gameplay is definitely good. Kasi this one is definitely highly optimized already para malaro mo ng husto ang games like Genshin Impact, and expect mo na halos wala kang mafe-feel talaga na frame drops dito sa phone na ito. If you're using the shoulder trigger, it's definitely very useful. And pinakamainit na na-achieve na dito is around 53 degrees Celsius without the aero cooler. But once na nilagay mo na ng aero cooler, it's 46 degrees Celsius. So that's roughly 8 degrees cooler than the usual. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, sinagad-sagad ko rin ang kanang graphics. I was able to enjoy the game and nilaro ko halos ng 2 oras dire-diretso dito sa phone na ito kasi natuwa ako kasi naka-several level up din ako dito sa game na ito. And I played it without a aero cooler. Guess what, guys? Sobrang init nito phone na ito. It reached almost 58 degrees Celsius based sa aking Masyadong na thermal scanner. And ginamit din natin itong Cooler Master na Cryo Phone Cooler. It was able to cool it down by minus 7 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius din. Almost the same naman sa ROG na phone cooler. Well, it did cool down to around mga 49 degrees Celsius. And it definitely gets the job done kasi sobrang init magpainit ng phone si Farlight 84. Pagdating naman sa PUBG, expect mo rin na magandang gameplay dito. I was able to play 30 minutes and the graphics is good. And pinakamainit na na-achieve dito sa PUBG is around 49 degrees Celsius. Now guys, the ROG 8 Pro is definitely one of the best gaming phone this 2024, but with a heavy price tag. Around 61,000 pesos para sa kanyang 512 na storage and 76,000 pesos naman sa kanyang 1TB na storage with free aero cooler. Now, worth it nga ba talaga itong phone na ito at that price point? Well, I'll be honest with you, you can get almost the same experience dito sa Nubia Red Magic 9 Pro with the same processor, with almost the same experience, with air triggers din siya, only with a bad camera sa harap. But if you're a gamer and wala ka naman paki sa selfie camera, definitely okay to. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is walang punch hole ang kanyang front-facing camera, so definitely it's really gamer-friendly. And what's nice din dito sa Red Magic 9 Pro, price starts at 42,000 pesos versus 61,000 pesos. You decide if this phone is really worth it. But ako, I'd rather spend my 61,000 pesos sa Honor Magic 6 Pro, which also has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 pero mas maganda di hamak ang kanyang camera. Kaya rin naman gaming. So with that said guys, if you want to buy the ASUS ROG 8 Pro, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.